This is my Black Flag bug zapper, and this morning you're going to witness some birds eating the gypsy moths that I caught. This Black Flag was altered to catch more than I needed. It's actually very effective this way. I took out the screen and I was able to get more moths into the grill, the electrical grid here, and it'd be more effective. As you can see, it's pretty clogged up. Some of these have fell down to the ground already, and what happened was the blue jay, the robin, and the mockingbird came in this morning and started eating them, and I have footage of that shortly. But this is an example of what these Black Flag zappers do. There are better ones out there, but this one was at Lowe's for like $39. You know, had a 10% discount for using my VA card. Keep it on 24 hours a day. It gets rid of mosquitoes. It gets rid of gnats, small insects that are attracted to the light. Moths mostly, but I'm more concerned with mosquitoes. They're a little more harmful to you than any other insect. A lot of the bugs like to hide under, or the moths like to hide under the grill down here. There's maybe one in there that's still left. But yeah, I got some good footage of a couple of birds eating the gypsy moths on the ground. They're pretty big. That explains why that when I come home from work there's no more moths on the ground. It's probably because the birds are eating them. Anyways, let's go to the footage of the birds eating the gypsy moths. Anyways, I hope you like this little short video. Something I did on the spur of the moment. And please rate, subscribe, and comment. This is Lead Bullets for Life. Thank you.